Good afternoon, folks. This is Gannage Design and Construction, and we're going to deal with another homeowner challenge that is pretty common, and that's the scary hairball in the bathtub. Water won't drain down. What do I do? Well, there's a couple different tools out there for homeowners that work fairly well. We have one called a zip it, all right, one called a drain weasel. All right, a couple different options, and they both function similarly. You may prefer one or the other, but the idea is to go inside there, find that hairball, stuff it down inside there, all right, and then attempt to get it back out again. Okay. Or it's going to pull it out, or it's going to chop it up so that it goes back down in the drain. So you can notice all that mess coming up. So far we're able to get some of that gunk out. I'm sorry to say it's not going to be fun, but of course we're doing this because we're trying to either save the money or we can't get that plumber out there. Let's give the drain weasel a shot. Okay, see how it works. See, when each one has its own weaknesses and strengths. But the idea is to break it up or to pull it out. All right, once again, we're in a different bathroom, similar drain problem. This one's just a shower. I'm going to show the shower drain. Some of them, again, will require a screw that will come out of the center to take this plate off. Okay, in this case, this is one where you can just take, and right here you can insert a flathead screwdriver and pop it loose. Okay, see already I'm starting to bring up some of that nastiness. Lovely good time. Again, we're going to apply our two different tools that we wanted to test out and see how they work. Here's that zip it. See how well it works. So far I haven't been too impressed with my ability to get it into the drain location, but look what it got decided to bring up with it. The secret to this one is that it has little hooks on it, little barbs on the plastic, so it's supposed to. Depending on your area, you may be saving yourselves hundreds of dollars in plumbing fee. So I hope that helps. If you have any comments or questions, please let us know. And you guys have a great day. Thanks.